Let's Ombre lipstick the easy way. I'm going to use a red lipstick. I'll start off by outlining my lips before filling in. In this video, I'm going to use the lipstick I'm using right now and a brown lip liner. If you have a brown eye pencil, you can also use it. After that, I'm going to blend in a black eye pencil. You can even use a black lip liner or a black lipstick. After that, I'm going to fill in with the lipstick. Make sure you fill in well. Don't forget the middle part. I'm taking a brown lip liner and outline my lips again just above the lipstick. If you have a brown eye pencil, you can also use it. You can like this video, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be notified when I post another video. I'm doing this so that it can be easier for me to blend in the two colors. I went ahead to take my brush and blend it in well. The brown lip liner and the lipstick. If you don't have a brush, you can also use your finger. After that, I'm taking a black eye pencil. I'm going to put it right above the brown lip liner. In short, we are overlining our lips, and this technique is going to give us a fuller lip. So if you like fuller lips, this technique is the best for you. You then blend in with a brush or your finger if you don't have the brush. Blend in well the black eye pencil to the brown one. I'm going to add lipstick again at the middle part just to pop the color. And blend it well. Tell me if you like the matte look or gloss look. You can add gloss if you want, or you can stay matte. I hope you try this technique. It's easy. Just follow the steps. You can save this video for later. Thank you so much for trusting the process, and I'm going to see you on my next video. This is gloss I'm just adding on top. That's it. Bye.